I don't like when my hair is sweaty and itchy, but I also don't like when my new braids get frizzy early on. So I'm going to share my wash day routine on how I minimize frizz and also get my hair clean and protected. I currently have Miracle Knot installed in my hair and I love this hair so much, but I did a workout session and I sweat my hair out and my hair was becoming itchy and I didn't like it. So I decided we're going to have an early wash day routine. I try to avoid washing my hair early on in a new protective hairstyle. I try to elongate it to like 3 weeks or 4 weeks. But we have to do this wash day routine today because my hair is going to get itchy if the sweat dries down. So the first thing I'm going to do is to prep my hair. I went ahead to get a spray bottle because I have these curly extensions in. So what I'm trying to do is avoid it from tangling up. So we're just going to focus mainly on our scalp. So the first thing I do is just to section it into two, then spray it with water if I need to go in with more, then just braid it up. I love doing this when I have extensions in my hair, and I notice that when I do this, my hair doesn't get tangled up and I still get access to my natural hair. When it comes to a good protective hairstyle, you need to make sure that you have access to do your wash day routine, to do your routine, so that your hair is kept healthy in that protective hairstyle. Your scalp is clean so that it can create a good environment for hair growth. And it's just important in general. Perfect hairstyle, lightweight, cute, and we're just going to go ahead to do the other section and we're going to go straight into the next routine. Now that we're done putting our hair into two braids, we have easy access to our scalp, which is what you would want. So now let's head to the shower and get on with the routine. So I'm going to try and be gentle with my hair, and that is your priority when it comes to avoiding frizz. I'm going to be using this Omer's Beauty shampoo. I love it so much, and it's a new product I started trying out, and it is sulfate free. It keeps my hair moisturized. I have nothing bad to say about it. This is my second time using it and I got the best result with this shampoo. So now you can see that when I'm washing my hair, I'm not scrubbing, rushing, like tugging on my hair. I'm being gentle. When you saw me washing with my scalp, try and avoid using your fingernails or like using your fingertips and itching your hair and scratching your root. It makes your root extra frizzy and puffy, and that's going to make your hair look old fast. Make sure that you're using like the palm of your hand and just like massage the product out of your hair. No need to go all rough, and I've noticed that when you do that you get less frizz when doing this. Make sure that you're gentle. That's just when it comes to frizz. Just make sure that you're gentle when you're washing your scalp. You don't need to be aggressive, and that helps a lot. Also, when I'm done, I'm also going to go in with more shampoo and add to the extensions because, like I said, was sweating a lot. So, just remove any product or any sweat in my hair. I'm just going to go ahead to just lather that up and rinse everything out. What you want to focus on is to be gentle, do not be rough on your scalp so that it doesn't get puffy and that will develop to freeze. After you're done with that, you're just going to squeeze out the excess water. I did not deep condition in this routine because I'm trying to avoid freeze, and deep conditioning is extra moisture to your hair and I don't want to make my hair more puffy. So you just have to skip that step if you don't want the freeze. And also another thing I'm going to say is that make sure you use a moisturizing shampoo because I use the moisturizing shampoo. I can get away with not deep conditioning my hair because I don't want the extra frizz. But later on in this protective hair, so I'm definitely going to deep condition. But for now, I don't want the frizz, so I'm not going to deep condition. You can definitely see the reason why I put my hair in two braids. My hair is not tangled up. It looks so much better. Like the curls are popping and the hair doesn't have any frizz. Like you can see, I showed you my scalp. This particular washing method is a game changer. Honestly, just be very, very gentle with it. Like your hair isn't even dirty at this point. You're just doing a fresh, clean, easy wash day. So just be gentle. So now that we're done, we're going to go into the next step, and I'm going to be using the Omes Beauty leave-in conditioner. And like their product is so good. I'm going to use this on the extensions as well as a little bit on my actual natural hair. Because I have the curly extensions, I'm going to apply more on the extensions so that I can be able to access my natural hair, as well as trying to avoid my scalp. Because one thing about leave-in conditioners or anything like stick, do not apply directly to your scalp because it can develop product buildup, which can clog up your pores and limit your hair growth. So make sure that when you're applying a leave-in conditioner, you just focus more on the length of your hair. And in this video, I'm focusing more on my extensions because they're basically there and I want it to look good. So that is where I'm going to pour my focus on. After I'm done with that, just to make sure that I get my hair, I can go in with a little bit more. If you need more products, just go in with a little bit more. With this product, I just decided to apply it close to my scalp but not directly on my scalp. If you're seeing, I'm just applying it to my natural hair just to make sure that I actually get my hair and not neglect it. So I'm just going to massage that into my hair properly and just make sure everything is evenly distributed. I'm just feeling my hair to just see that everything is evenly distributed and it looks that good. Like, guys, can you see it looks really good? After that, next I'm going to use is this hair serum. This is the inches and length serum, and this is my first time trying a serum on my hair. And my first impression is that, where has this been all my life? Because this is like an oil but also has a water base, and it makes my hair feel so good. It has a cooling effect on my scalp, which I love so much. That's why reason why I use virgin hair fertilizer, because of the cooling effect. And I get this from this particular product. I can't wait to try it more and see if I notice any difference, because it's focused on your edges and just helping with your length retention and also making your hair stronger. So I'm going to see how this works. But the thing about it is that it is so lightweight, so you can apply it directly to your scalp, which I'm not scared about because it's literally water and a little bit of oil. I saw that it has castor oil, it has lavender oil, and some other really, really good things. And yeah, just apply this on your scalp and make sure that when you're done, you just massage it in. You know, I'm all for a good scalp massage, because one thing about scalp massage is that it helps with the blood circulation on your scalp, and that helps to promote a healthy hair growth, which we want. So don't be afraid to massage your scalp, but make sure that you do it gently, because you don't want your roots to get puffy and frizzy. With every step, just be gentle so that your hair doesn't get frizzy along the way. So after I'm done with that, we're going to go straight into the next product. I'm going to be using the Omes Beauty Everything and More Chebe Butter. Chebe product is something that I love so much. There was a time I used to use chebe powder directly to my hair, but I stopped because it was a lot of work washing out. But chebe has a lot of good properties to strengthen your hair strands, and when your hair strands are strengthened, you can retain length. That means less breakage and more length retention. So I only applied a very little amount, just to the area where I can see my hair. I didn't apply it to the extensions because I don't want that greasy feeling on it. But yeah, that is literally the routine. Very easy, very simple. With this particular routine, your hair wouldn't get frizzy very early on. But one thing to notice that when you're done, make sure you scarf down your hair. It really helps to make sure that your hair lays flat. But another thing is that frizz is normal when you have a natural hair. It's very prone to frizz. So just learn to accept the frizzy and puffiness of your hair. But this particular routine can help slow it down. And if you want to get that extra hold, I would recommend you adding a mousse to your hair. But I didn't want to do that in this video. I think maybe I'll show you in another video. But adding a mousse does help. It helps to hold your hair in place. And yeah, that is all. So till next time, I'll see you guys in my next one. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer that. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you guys and bye.